Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another ornament project. Today we're making these cute denim heart ornaments. Use them for Valentine's Day or for Christmas. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this pattern with step-by-step instructions, color photos, and the printable templates. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own denim heart ornaments today. I've added a link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need denim, cotton fabric, ribbon for hanging, fiberfill stuffing, a marking pencil, pinking shears, an optional glue stick, and don't forget the printable template. First, cut out the templates and use the smallest heart template to cut out a heart from the cotton fabric. Place a piece of denim fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the cotton heart in the middle of the fabric and use a glue stick to provide a temporary hold if desired. Sew the heart to the denim by stitching around the raw edges of the heart with a blanket, zigzag, or satin stitch. I like to try out different stitch lengths and widths on fabric scraps before I start working on the heart. Next, place the other square of denim fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place that sewn heart piece with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the larger heart template over the center heart and pin it in place. Stitch the pieces together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space at the top open for stuffing. Then use a marking pencil to trace around the outside of the paper template at the top of the opening of the heart. Use pinking shears to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Use the opening to stuff the heart with fiberfill, filling as full as desired. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening. Fold the ribbon in half and insert the raw edges of the ribbon into the opening and pin it in place. Stitch the opening closed by sewing over the top of your traced line and then readjust the stuffing. And just like that, you have another cute ornament for your Christmas tree or Valentine's Day tree. If you'd like to see more projects like this one with digital patterns you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.